Hello friends, today we will discuss something about resume, a chance to write for your future. Here in this video, we will discuss something about resume, contents to be included in resume, essentials of an effective resume, format and one sample, how to write a resume. Before discussing all, what is resume? A resume is a brief record of one's personal history and qualifications. In other words, it is a short summary of oneself. It is sent when one applies for a job. It is also known as curriculum vitae, you can say CV, or biodata. It plays a crucial role in advancing one's chances as a potential candidate. So, it's a short summary of one's personal history and qualifications. It is sent when one applies for a job. Important points for an effective resume: neither too lengthy nor too short. Use simple format, indenting, boldface, bullets, and like should be used to highlight the primary information. Content and style should be effectively structured. Highlight your strengths and minimize your weaknesses, but at the same time, keep it in mind that you have to tell the truth at any cost. तो आप जो हैं अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स, जितनी भी आपके पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, वो अपने रिज्यूमे में आप हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं, और जो भी आपकी वीकनेसेस हैं उनको आप मिनिमाइज या फिर कम से कम लिख सकते हैं अपने रिज्यूमे में, बट you have to tell the truth at any cost. Must reflect your true personality and aspiration. So your resume must reflect your true personality and aspirations, and it should be job specific. Resume must answer the following questions. So as you are the candidate, so आपका जो resume है इन सभी questions के आंसर जरूर देता हो. What are the career objectives of the candidate? As you are the candidate, so what are the career objectives? Which courses, academic or professional, attended by the candidate? Which are the specific skills or capabilities of the candidate? What are the specific fields of interest or hobbies? तो आपका स्पेसिफिक फील्ड ऑफ इंटरेस्ट और आपकी हॉबीज़ क्या हैं वो मेंशन हो आपके रिज्यूमे में. व्हाट आर द करियर अचीवमेंट्स, इंस्टीट्यूशंस अटेंडेड बाय द कैंडिडेट, work experience of the candidate, how can the employer contact the candidate. And now contents to be included in a resume. Heading: name, address, telephone number, email address. Mention the post for which you have sent the resume. तो आपका नेम, एड्रेस, टेलीफोन नंबर, ईमेल एड्रेस, ये सभी कुछ आपकी हेडिंग में हो. आप जब रिज्यूमे लिख रहे हैं तो रिज्यूमे की हेडिंग में आपको नेम, एड्रेस, टेलीफोन नंबर, ईमेल एड्रेस, and mention the post for which you have sent the resume. Career objective: express the goals and aspirations in relation to the post that has been sought. Academic qualification in detail: detail of the academic and professional qualifications such as institutions attended, the degree, diploma, certificates received, and the scores and grades awarded. Work experience: give a brief and specific work and professional experience. Specific skills, स्पेशलाइजेशंस, एप्टीट्यूड, आपका जो भी स्पेसिफिक स्किल्स हैं, स्पेशलाइजेशंस हैं, आपके एप्टीट्यूड, वो सभी मेंशन करें आप. फेवरेट एक्टिविटीज़, इंटरेस्ट, हॉबीज़, आपकी जो भी हॉबीज़ हैं, आपकी फेवरेट एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, वो मेंशन करें. वर्क एक्सपीरियंस मेंशन करें आप रिज्यूमे में. अदर रेलेवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन, जो भी आप रेफरेंसेस लिखना चाहते हैं आप इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं अदर रेलेवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन में. नाउ format for resume: full name, date of birth, permanent address, marital status if you are married or not, education and qualifications, school education, college education, technical or professional education. तो education and qualifications में आप school, college और professional education mention करें. Experience, special qualities and references. Now we have sample of resume for the post of sales executive. Name: Rajdeep Singh. Date of birth: 26 March 1996. Address: 220 Azad Colony, Mohan Nagar, Karnal. Marital status: unmarried. Email address: abc@gmail.com. Objectives: administrative position in a multinational firm. Educational qualifications: board and university, year, exam passed, grades. So From KUK University in 2019, MA English with 65%. And from KUK University itself in 2017, BA with 76%. And from CBSE board in 2014, 12th with 81%. And from CBSE board itself in 2012, 10th with 87%. Experience: worked as an assistant sales officer in XYZ company for years from 2019 to 2021. Extra activities: declared best speaker of the KUK University in the year 2016, awarded gold medal in the inter-university athletics. References: Shri Anup Kumar, Chartered Accountant, Ludhiana. So, this is the sample of resume for the post of sales executive, and here we have references. Thank you very much.